Hey everyone, this is Ritu Sharma from Micromoon Skin Studio here in Cloverdale downtown, where clinical skincare meets result-driven and holistic approach. So today we are meeting Jovana, a registered nurse and educator for Environ Skincare, to discuss a very important topic, which is a connection between stress and skin.
Thank you so much, Ritu, for having me. I'm so excited to be here. This is a topic that doesn't get talked about enough, and it's really important to have these meaningful conversations with your clients because it's stuff that they're going through. We all go through stressful times, and it can wreak havoc on our skin. So I think it's really important to really understand why this happens, how it happens, and what can we do about it.
And we are so excited to connect with you on this special topic. So, talking about this stress and skin connection, I get a lot of clients at Micromoon who come up with sudden breakouts or redness around the time of physical or emotional stress. Can you please explain how stress impact your skin?
Oh, yeah, this is something we see all the time, especially at our clinics. Clients going through a more stressful time, we're seeing more breakouts, more redness, and that's because the skin and the brain are very deeply connected, more than people realize. Actually, really cool because I didn't know this. The skin and the brain actually start from the same embryonic layer, the ectoderm, in early development. So now that we know that, any changes or stress in the one can directly influence the health and the function of the other.
That actually makes so much sense. And even at Micromoon, we put a lot of focus on overall wellness, like whatever happens inside your body shows up on your skin. And talking about these kind of topics in our consultation and treatments, I also hear a lot about this term called inflammaging. And I see clients in their 30s and 40s having these premature lines, pigmentation, and even dull skin, even after using this consistent skincare routine. Can you please explain this term inflammaging?
Ritu, you've described inflammaging perfectly. So it is this low-grade chronic inflammation combined with aging that damages our skin at the cellular level. It is clients that have dryness, dullness, that despite no matter what we're doing with our typical brightening and hydrating protocols, they're not getting better, or they have a lot slower healing after their breakouts or treatments. So this is what can show up in our skin when inflammaging is present.
That is so interesting, and I actually agree with you on this because I see a lot of my clients, women who are high achievers, and they have like two different jobs, and then men also work so hard to feed their family, taking care of everything, and people don't realize how it's affecting them internally, causing stress, and then eventually showing up on their skin, and the relationship between skin and stress. Just considering this in mind, do you have any solution for the skin effect or stress affected skin?
Absolutely. So, our mental and physical health plays a huge role in this. And our answer is really to focus on how can we help the skin's ability to resist and recover from stress. So, this can include different lifestyle focuses. So, we want to make sure, are we sleeping well? Are we eating a healthy diet? Introducing relaxation techniques. And this is going to be different for every person. We can't underestimate the power of a slow touch massage, reading, relaxing, whatever that means for that person. It can really make a big difference. And then, of course, we have targeted neurocosmetic ingredients in our skincare that can really help make a big difference and actually target the stress that is happening in our skin.
I know what product you're talking about, but people who don't know about Environ or this product, can you please explain what this product is and how to use it to achieve those desired results?
Yes, this is one of my absolute favorite products. It is the Environ Seriénce Night Serum. So if we're looking to calm inflammation, reduce redness, and restore balance, this is our go-to. It has 4 different ingredients, and they are neurocosmetic ingredients. So we're targeting the skin's nervous system. It's specifically targeting that signs of inflammaging that we talked about, redness, dryness, and especially dullness, that when we're trying all the other things and it's not working, this is what we can add into our routine.
Thank you so much for sharing this information. I like how you explained how this product can help with different skin concerns that are caused by the stress in your life. And people who are still confused when and how to use this product into your daily existing routine, please start with your cleanser and then the toner, whichever one you use from Environ's line. Then you use the serum, night serum, and then follow up with your vitamin A moisturizer. And if you are an advanced Environ user, then you can use this even with your microneedling roller. So you use the roller after your toner and then follow up with the serum on top of it, and then moisturizer. And if you have the at home DF mobile device, then you can also use it after the serum to push it even deeper into your skin for advanced results. Well, that was it for today. Thank you so much, Joanna, for joining us and sharing your insight. And if you're somebody watching and wondering if stress is showing up on your skin, please know that we are here to help you out.
Thank you so much for having me. It was my pleasure. I had such a fun time connecting with you today about this really important topic. And we hope that everybody watching found it insightful, and we're excited to continue these meaningful conversations in the future. See you guys soon. Bye.